Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking in our local Spirit Halloween to see if anything's changed yet.
No, you can't see. We're just looking, peeking
to next week.
I
know that's Veronica's son.
Yeah, he's peeking for his
Yeah.
YouTube channel to show everybody.
Yeah,
else.
I was filming on my phone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
He's saying they're
Yeah.
in the process. Would you
our
guys?
channel is Spirit Halloween Hangout.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're just filming a YouTube video.
Okay.
What day do you guys think you'll be open?
We're supposed to open on Monday,
Oh.
but I don't know if it'll be. We'll probably open and close, just to open.
Yeah.
With the registers,
Yeah.
make probably one purchase and then be like, all right, we open, close, because we're.
Is there any ones that are open?
Let me see. I know Newark is open. Fremont.
Is it? Because I thought it said it.
New Park Mall is open. The one at New Park Mall is open.
Park Mall. What is that?
No way. No way. We're gonna have to go there because I
It's
love
open.
Spirit Halloween. Yeah,
It's
I
open.
love Spirit Halloween.
Okay. All right.
That will be
Alright.
the closest
Okay.
to for now. Because
Yeah.
next week I'm gonna start Walnut Creek and Concord to start next week. There's 3 locations in Concord that are like literally a triangle.
Really?
Yeah.
There's none in Brentwood.
So that one's still pending. I was there last year. There was the one at the old Best Buy and there was the one at Sand Creek.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the Sand Creek one is still pending. So, they're probably. It's one of those, they look like money, all that money stuff playing back and forth. So I was hoping that would have been my first location to be open, but
Yeah, this is the first time ever here,
yeah,
right?
yeah, this is the first time here.
Okay, so New Park Mall.
New Park Mall is
Yeah.
open. It opened it opened on the, it opened on the 6th.
That's San Jose. New Park Mall.
In Newark.
Newark.
Oh.
I've never been there. Newark. Okay. Because when you go online, some of them still say they're open from last year.
Oh, no,
So it's
no.
all messed up.
So the New Park Mall one is open.
Oh. Okay.
And everything is up. I mean, he's literally super clean in there.
Okay.
All his animatronics, both his ISCs are up, and they're pretty cool.
Yeah, because we ordered our first. Which one did we just get for 2019?
Did we get Wavy Wally?
Waving Wally.
Yeah, Wavy
Okay.
Wally. Yeah.
We have.
We just
Eddie.
got.
What's
We got.
his name?
Experimental Eddie. Yeah.
I like your
That-
shirt.
Yeah. Thanks.
I love your shirt.
Yeah, Experimental Eddie is my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah, my most favorite this year.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Every day he wants to come by here and peek and
I know.
he's all peeking over here.
Well, you would get good video footage in Newark. Because
Yeah, I know.
That back Reaper's Wharf, it's super cool. We went to Jersey for the whole
Yeah, I
meeting
could
thing. and they
barely-
had, like,
I
the
could
big
barely,
store
see the
set up.
That's what people have.
Yeah.
He's like, can't we? I go, dude, we have to fly. He's like, but all these
Yeah.
other issues, I go, those are the ones that he paid. The Spirit like
Right.
gives him some props and gives them stuff. I go, well, you're not at that
Right.
point yet. But that's where he wanted to go. He's like, well, we could drive. I was like, it takes 2 days.
It was pretty
Yeah.
cool.
I bet it is.
Yeah.
They're way better than the ones last year. Because
Yeah,
last year they had like the
seriously.
haunted house thing and all.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the aquarium
So
theme.
much better.
Yeah. So cool with the inside.
It's nice. They got
Yeah.
like the TV
Yeah,
in there.
yeah, I know.
It's
Sharks.
Yep, it's
Yeah.
nice. It
Yep.
actually scared me. I was like, whoa, okay. Yep, this is a good one.
That's amazing.
It is.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Well, I think
amazing.
we know where we're going tomorrow. We'll have to ask tell your mom.
All right.
Is Veronica working right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's working. It's too bad. He's always asking her to work. He's
I
like,
know I'm always looking like for my old employees, like, hey, what are you doing right now?
Yeah,
You
she's
want to work?
she's off every weekend though. She wants
Oh.
to pick up.
Tell her Carla is at this location.
Okay.
She knows who I am from Toys R Us.
Okay.
Tell her I'm here and tell her just put that application.
Yeah.
She wants to
Alright.
work in hours.
Nice.
I know he'd love it.
Yeah, I love. I can barely see the boat theme in there.
I
It's
know.
cool.
All right.
You guys are starting to get really good.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you. We
welcome.
try to get better every year. We try to make it
Yeah.
better. That's
Nice.
the goal.
At least we know where we can go now.
All right.
What was your name again, buddy?
Julian.
Julian.
Yep.
All right, Carla. Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
okay?
meet you.
When we're open, you be the first one in, okay?
All right.
All right.
All right.
Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you.
You're welcome.
Wow, maybe tomorrow we could go to the Newark Mall.
No way. We're gonna have to go to Newark Mall. Alright guys, so we just talked to the girl working at Spirit Halloween, and she said there was a Spirit Halloween open in New York Mall. So, actually, Newark Mall. It's at a mall, I think, but I think it's actually for the name of the city, but I don't know if it's actually located in the mall or something, but whatever. But we're going to Newark Mall tomorrow, and we're gonna see for ourselves, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications. Oh, and also like the video. Yeah. So we'll go to Newark tomorrow, and we're gonna go see Spirit Halloween for ourselves.
And get a prop.
Yeah, we'll get a prop there for sure. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.